Peace FM 104.3. Wutumi Take.
Then na eboa ma obi kura sonson ho aba na bra say that you no see e be select ni say o school no oba na bra yi. Na the kwan a enkwara na e fa so nansen ni senia we are being too materialistic. I say ewiase niyama no societal influence say we will be as I say minya bi. Ekwan bia so. Ekwan bia so say ye papa say nye papa. Na ye chi wo mo onim say ye mra no kura so ye me tie lawyer bi na o kan wa so say nkwara yi. The maximum punishment they bet with their mom enye more than 5 years imprisonment. Adan ya omo ye teenagers.
Debbie, omo minors.
Omo ye minors. Say am 5 years.
Age na be determine your bebre.
Hey. Debbie o.
Emra.
And just say yamra na any SS ye miem. Because minti bi da meti ya na kese akwara bi ni papa etuo bi da ba bi no wakofa odi agro na ni wo hu wo movie mti ono so komia na odi ekunipa na se yetumi abo papa se ye chi akwara ade na kwahye ba bi ni yekunu ni esie no se adan ya ye de kwaji sika duro aba asotwe we de that we are not angry enough ye de be court ni akomom 3 years 4 years nkwara mo kwasa ba o ye nim ni omba ba ye oman mu. There see future leaders there. And ye nyina ya mmoa, ne yempe kwan ye fa so e betumi atete nkwara no. No ma be ye nkwara papa. What are the values that we teach them? You see ye yakoye say, wo asabe unika kese, unifie kese tim no, wa mobra. Na si ye nyina ye nyeskasi abrosan ya, hwan na betumi arenti obi dan. Ye nyina ye toka, e be den obi atwi trotro. Nyame ammo ye nyina pe. We must get that clear. Inti na teacher ni tumi kire obi ade na nipa no kura be nya sika asen no ahwe a wo hia ba bi kura wo fo no ne fo trotro asetua ma ye nyina ye nyepe inti let's accept the little that we have sabi obi wo ha onni sika onya ne ho pi enso mfie nan onko hospital da ni nyina nya nhira ni bia obi so mbosome bia kakra no afa phone or friend doctor pharmacist ena ye ne namfofo minka sef o adamfo ye pharmacist a enye so yare kunipa ni bi ni sika nkoa yesi sika enya sika yempe obi apɛ sika pɛ onya bi obetumi enya enso ebe free wonsa na wan fa kwan pa so enya bible kra ka say what is akɔkɔhwede a oda kosua enya na auto yeso yema ya nimre hwɛ sɛnea LGBT asɛmba ye ɔman mu hwɛ nipa dodo a sɔre gina ye ɛkasa ye yen sorry and kasentia in discipline in our society, especially among the youth. And Kobani Sadia and Joe, yet ye fear no matter what so. Yenam street is so. Me de car air co Cape Coast, not traffic or crime super ebe bujumbura mhobabin. Na ni faso sa ya kofa akronim. Na abrantie bi obo me car pam they will say give me money. Na me niska. Me say sia me sika nyina mobile money esa na asa me see me niska akwantia se obo mechanism na traffic room for almost 50 minutes. At a point I became frightened.
We am show
obaka nim sa mamiska munya ska mo maybe mutumu ade do poni o say di matem ka ho. At that point me the traffic room odwane enyeje o ye enti me bi sa me ho say nto de bibi pie me glass no kwa no odwane ya then na me ye where we have to punish, let's punish them. The BSS ye two mofra no fo, yen two omofo. Na yen payinfo no so, yen mam mofra ni hu se, wunya we ni we, ana wanya we ni ya, wanya japade a, na che se wiase aba na wiye ye. No. Aya humte, I can't just imagine ni ebeba mofra trim, ye so ye kontokwa. Me bo obi kura ana obi bo obi na mi jina na mi hu moja. Maka me say there's no way I could have ever become a medical doctor. Because me hu moja na me yemashimi. Say entokwa kura na asina obi epra na me hu moja no. Me nya comfortable. Ah, kan person obedwunu say, "Oh, kundipa."
As a teenager.
At that age. Oh. You're quite ready to.
Yeah, share stories li be free mobile. The role of television and radio abem. Oba the role of society and a parenting. And opena kujo pon kruma say yeah, memi and father no so bono mo TV any internet in kwa but awofo society wom oba the Christian and I say asori ehun ensem teacher for oka
efa
mpanyimfo chese
everybody has a role
lecturers in mpanyimfo mo brofo nie see ebi ahwe in isolation is this symptomatic of the kind of society you want chere susudue bi chere senya ya brabo ICC
me can say you akwara boni dia na ya opanyimbo because omatida say empanyimfo bi agiskaduro omatida say ebi mu ekoye niema bi ama omo ho atom presumably omo ho atom ya oni papi so wo ska omo tumi na 3 hours o anti society ne ka ho niema bi a omo hu omatepen na eye na oti say ukunipa adeti a obewu a ebi anka bebo no hu kakra me until I went to secondary school na me say oti aso dem na kasa e boni pa kesi a nyame mfa ncha oda until I went to secondary school
say say na dey attitude
ye dey hu bi ahye omu ema it controls and shapes your life na ya ko school na ye to nyom praise and worship no et say na sabi obi akọ dance na e di nkomo sesi ya kwa aso dem ya to okra na ye send WhatsApp messages you receive calls wa bra software preaching enti enkwara no a reflection of a young painful no e bra ye bo in our societies enti television ni de ho ahwe TV wo hu se obi akwaje isikaduro ya ka omo ye money doubling ni hwan nyina ho na ye nyina ye tenase yanka ho hwe on say Ghana ye yakwa ye say fire service approach asam na ba girigiri afa na obi ani aka yenye we nkofo starting some ya first no na say obi ye konfo obi ye dunsini a na o te ba bi fia na wakwa ko hu no this ya be boss akese ye TV advert obi bia wo pe obi ase bia abra ukura program ya ye condemn wo be copy FM online na sa nkofo ni bi e de omo advert aba beto ase they are too burdened
ya share na nyom advert ba ni nyom ye so oye story
and na me ken
comment section na o de abehye ho
no de abehye ho na obi se ko hwe no oba be ka say Peace FM pa ade wo ho de na ye papa
no kre
so na ebe de na be ko social media
na sampa hu bi da
oh
share into tag credible websites ni ade
o pe ba bi obenya credibility so ya koye bebre
but till prof answer be see from Minia Bako Ransford they say child rights for eka ho I know my rights no so we leave the children to do whatever they want ask doctor about it
okay I see na human right human akora no o money free o free ho kona na the DOM account na freedom wa fa me na bro so chemeje no ya bisa ya hu ne enti a Ghana fo mpanyimfo a enkanka no omo te abrochire no omo hu omo de omo ma ne ba Ghana se omo nyi ansa no mbekọ back a omakọ training say abrochire wo ba ye ikura na utini kura wa free police enti asasi asesa ye niamam TV no de ho niam enya no ye hwe ne ye nyai na timing no kura awia ketekete me one here eno kura na di laziness e by society mu sessions bi oyi movie fit an up 6 copy manajo first nka 4 pm no bia quick ye be TV o hwe akan drama ni ye sua nyansa bi frim ye nya bibi efrim uti amachi de nyom eni mpanyimfo bi aka ampadumu wo se o ka wasem da se si a enyum kra ye bo TV so ye ntade a ye hye eni wa ha na omote cars akese so eno na ye kyerem kwara say hey wo ye usa ne man ya you become rich and so what obi ni tade mienu me se o wa asomdwe chama wa hye ne so omo da street so
yeah
omo da stores anim omo da so da ye papa sin obi o da condition room
anya always the case obi da condition room o da so da ye pa
say ni hu ba ko o mata ko bi si eh wo twam kra say wo gina ho di nkomo no tontom no wo pam na pam so obi da ho wada onya malaria da 1 year onya malaria enti asasi asesa ye niema
minia ba ko bia Ono esimi penyin be afia say fiemi no tie. Chairman General, the quest for money by the youth of today, in my opinion, boils down to the kind of leaders we have in this country.
Yeah.
Politicians are also responsible for this moral decadence. The way they have turned the youth around in this country. I remember at my age, Kwame, at my age, I went home in my newly bought second-hand Passat. My stepmother questioned how I got the car. In addition to an old Mercedes that I had also bought from my friend. Kwame, at my age, what's in penny? It's your fan says 10 years ago,
or level 5.
Oh, I no do level 5, Jamie. But we be level 4, ho baby. And I sound come away. Now, yeah, the say Bernardano. And so you need to say Tamoy lieutenant. Just say or you soldier near I was starting soldier lieutenant now. So I'm no nika nemo of while in me area crap him. And I was we can or the costra a bushia for crap him. I say nana Shani D was it a free effie. A free effie. Or no sabi. Or any juma,
yeah,
or tinning crying all bonnet bra. Still a besides na a free effie. But they say, wait to be a kubisa.
Now, we are where say, your uncle for minim. Ebia minim do doba minim or baba could be a all university. No, car, your macro on Fancofi. No, car will invest will use your macro to me Fancofi.
So, him say, to me Fanco.
And quite be antadi or Michelle, you know, to me Fancofi and question. Ne bisu parents na kasa kra na toma wom. Enti ya was some as I say me say the aggression and the enthusiasm ya de kasa tia LGBT W and the plus no. Sa hoden na yem fan kasa against indiscipline. Yem panfo so yenya nia be man kwara na asua. Ye nia ma papa na obia hu say enti na da bia me say the first group I cherish most a man a kodoma humache. Ni kuna da ohwa nkoro mu. 233 no bi wo dwoma a oton ade. Se na obetumi nya bibi kakra. E de abehwe ne ma.
Yeah.
Ne kwan bia ne ye fa so a kire nkwara se me ye adwumaden a betumi akomanim. Ye nya kasa kire nkwara ne yesu ye nyi yesi bibi ye friend role model. Me de obi asimanu so se sa asumasi baby a wadu ne kwan a ofa so bo ne bra no. Sa na mpese me ye. Na chama sabi oye adwuma no wanye ni yi a anka sisi o ti baby outi obi so ti baby se opese obese kwa me se fakan ena obi so ti baby se on de nse hunu ni nipadin se ye no anwa na obeye sankofo de bia ye bi ekosi omsen
me nua baby ne ba edi 20 be 67 o si oh yes Kwame even your niece cry she brought a pair of shoes home. And I was like, where the hell did you get this? Then she showed me a DHL receipt from her lady friend in the USA. I laughed her out of embarrassment. She said, get ready by 26, 27. I need my visa. They say, hey, free.
Oh. Now, parents need be cross or no never sharp or unknown say, now for quite the ban, or then are the back.
Then I order back.
Parent, no, every son, bano. So, would then are the back. Na ye call baby na me de me phone na to ho. You say na teacher ni phone we dey dada. The society is influencing almost every action of our lives. So why ma wadwunu ma no kakra, ye be push mu aye nia untumi nye, nia ensese wo ye. All in the quest of what? Making wealth. The when you are seeing your men
how did we get here?
Na o hwere nkwa mfa so be na wo.
Oninya nya men nyina na hwere nkwa. We'll have to keep talking about it until, you know.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.